Welcome to CodeMind. Hi guys, Gary here. So today I come up with a very interesting topic, that is how to use Windows key as a shortcut. So guys, if I talk about how to use PC or any Mac or Linux operating system, any operating system. So if you guys are using mouse, you are pretty slow. So if you guys have a knowledge how to use the shortcut keys, whether it's a control, whether it's a Windows key and other shortcut keys, so your work is very much speedy and you are able to, you do not need to drag your mouse here and there, and you just can complete your work within some shortcuts. So first of all, let me tell you who guys do not know what is the Windows key. So I will share the most important commands, the shortcut commands with you guys. Okay, so let me start. I have opened a virtual on-screen keyboard with you guys so that I can tell you that what is window key. So Windows key is this thing, right? Within the control button and alt button, right? So that is your Windows button, right? So how to use that? It's so very simple. It's a very useful button. Mostly people do not know the how to use that Windows button. So let me share how much useful it is. So let's start with that. Okay, for example, if I press window button only, what is the benefit of that? I pressed window button. It gives me all list of programs so that I can directly, using tab, I can select any application, right? So that is, and if I want to close it, it's just simple with escape button, right? So that is a one use of Windows button without any other key. So now I am going to tell you guys, right, that how can we use it with combination of other words. One, the main thing is D. If you guys press Windows plus D, it will act as a show desktop, right? You have opened a various application into your desktop, you want to directly go into the your desktop screen, just press Window plus D, you guys will be at your desktop. If you again press Window D, you will be back to your that current application, right? Window D, you can practice this thing. So this thing again is a very good command. It is used to display desktop. Yeah. So if I talk about the next command is very useful, guys. We use run, right? If we go here in Windows and we search about, or we type here run, it take a lot of time to run this application, right? We have a simple Windows button and plus R. Let's see what happened. Windows R, you guys can see here, I can directly type here notepad. I notepad in front of me, how easy it is. So I wish you guys keep practicing with me during this video, so it is helpful to open run application, right? It's again useful. Or if I talk about the another shortcut key, we can simple S. What it will do, let's see. I am pressing S. Yeah, it will open up all the apps which is present, which I have sorry, it will give you the recent files which you have used. For example, I have used these applications and these files, what the application recently I have used, that I have a list of application. So it will give me the recent files and application, or simply you can say recent activity. Yeah. So if I talk about now, the another shortcut is Windows I. So what it will do, let's see what the window I can do. Window eyes will open up setting for you, so you do not need to find where the setting of my computer. You just press Windows plus I and you can directly go into your settings. You can add any program, you can remove any program, you can do the setting of account, time, anything. Every setting is available here. So direct you need to go to the setting using Windows plus I button, right? So what is the next thing which we can try here is that window plus A. What Windows plus A can do? Let's try and see what happened. Window A. So you guys can say window A gives us all the bar at the our right side. It will give us the all notification. You can turn on Bluetooth, turn off hotspot, turn on hotspots. You can enable Wi-Fi or disable Wi-Fi. So all option you can do. And again, if you press Windows A, it will give you the back. So what it gives you, notification bar. So that's it about Windows A. So if I next talk about the next button, so that is window E. Let's see what will happen if I press with window E. Let's see window E. If I press window E, automatically it will open the file explorer in front of me, right? So it's a very easy way to open a file explorer. So you guys can see the how much it is useful to use the Windows key to run my computer very smoothly. So last command which I am going to tell you guys is a combination of numbers. It's very useful. How's that? Plus numbers. Yeah, simple. I can say 1 comma 2 comma 3, right? This way. So what is the benefit of that? Just if you press window plus A, it will open up the first application open into your taskbar, right? You guys can see it open up the file explorer in front of me. If I press window 2, my second icon is mail. It will open up mail in front of me. If I press up now, let me close it. If I press Windows 3, it will open Sublime. Why? Sublime is the third application running on my system. You guys can see how beautiful it is. So I am closing it, then it will open up. If I press window 4, next is Chrome, it will open up Chrome. So you guys can see the how beautiful it is. So it open application on task bar. So guys, see how much this Windows button is useful to us, right? So hope you guys enjoy this shortcut video, and I hope you guys use these shortcuts into your day-to-day work. So we have a channel CodeMind to solve your queries related to the technologies. So if you guys have any query, any problem you are facing to operate your computer, or any technical problem you are facing, please let me know in the comment box. We will contact you and we will try to sort out your problem. So by saying all this, thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.